Are you looking to turn your passion for video creation into a source of income? Rumble.com offers a unique platform where you can upload your videos and get paid for views. Whether you are a seasoned content creator or just standing out, let's dive into how you can monetize your content and make money with Rumble. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Rumble.com and also how you can earn money with Rumble.com. The first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into rumble.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So Rumble is a video sharing platform where creators can upload and share their content. Users can earn money through ad revenue based on the number of views their video receive. It offers an alternative to larger platforms focusing on monetization opportunities. Rumble empowers creators to turn their passion into profit. So all I have to do right now is just come back to the top right and you click over sign up. Then you will find another page, which is this one. You have just to write your name, your username, your password, which have the password, email address, which have your email address, and you select your country, then the birthday here, and also we have here selected gender, if is it male, female, and here we have referrer. And we have the address again, then you have the city, state and province, postal code, phone number as well, and you click over here by creating an account with Rumble if you are agreed to your terms and the privacy, and you click over register. You have just to click over here, and you click over register after clicking over here if you are agreed to your terms that you read after clicking off privacy on the link of terms. Then once you click over register, you have just to go to the Gmail and you'll find one email received by or from Rumble. Alright, so you have just to click over here to activate your account, or you can just copy this one and paste it on the follower link into your address, and then you'll find this your email has already been verified. Alright, so right now you have just to come back to the home page and you click over sign in and write your email address and your password, then you get started with Rumble. Alright, so here we have the homepage of Rumble after creating an account. So after creating an account on Rumble, you can just start uploading your videos by clicking the upload button, following the necessary details like title, description, and the tags to enhance visibility. Choose your monetization options such as ad revenue, sharing, or licensing. Engage the community by commenting on others' video and promoting your content on social media. Finally, you can just use Rumble's analytics tools to track your performance and optimize your content strategy. Alright, so right now you have just to click over here and you click over account options and you'll find other page, which is this one as you can see. So we have just to add some information before creating a video. For example, we have just to add your full name, your street address, the second street address, then we have the city, the state and the province, then we have the postal code, and then you select your country, then you add your phone number, and here we have to select the gender if you are male or female, then we have the payment details as well, and here we have payment email address, and you click over update. Then also you have just to add your email address, new email, current password, then new password, confirm new password and current password, then you click over update once you're done. Then we have also here the privacy. For example, if you want to show the video earnings publicly, and here we have here hide my username from search results, enable my live streams to be read, display the number of monthly subscribers on your user profile. I will select for example all this one because I like it. Then we have here notifications. We have here notify me when my media gets approved and placed on the front page. Then we have notify me when a user comments on any of my uploaded media. Notify me when a user comments on any of my comments. Then we have occasionally send emails with tips and tricks. Right? You have just to click over update, and here we have user page display information. For example, we have profile picture. You have just to upload a photo. Then we have here backsplash picture. You have just to upload it, and also you can add a description to your user profile. Then we have socials such as Facebook, X, Instagram, tools, social URL. Then you click over update. Then also we have here the option of political donation information such as first name, and you add your last name, your email address, your mail address, your city, your state, your zip code, and your country, then your employer and your occupation, and you click over here for agree to your terms and the conditions or the policies. Then you click over update, and this is it. Right now, if you scroll down, we'll find also the option of earnings. Here we have earn. You have just to click over transaction, and you'll find other page, which is this one. Here we have the processed and the pending. We have here date, amount, currency, and description, and also we have other option which is payment as well. We have the month, start of month, earnings, adjustments, payments, and the end of month. Then we have the total here, right? Then we have also the option of referrals. This one is very important. About referrals, you have just to copy this link. This is the link of my account here, and I will just paste it on social media such as Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok and YouTube as well. And then you get started by creating a video. After everyone click over this link, you will find your account, and if you start watching your video and you earn money with that. So because as I mentioned before, if someone watch your video, as much views you have, as much you earn more money. All right, then right now let's just come back and I will show you how you can upload video, because if someone find your account without finding a video, you don't earn money. All right, you have just to click over upload video and you'll find other page, which is this one. You have just to upload and select the video to upload. After modifying your video as well, then you have just to add your video title, your video description. Then we have also the categories, as you can see, and we have the secondary categories. Then we have the video thumbnails, or you can just choose your own. Then we have your tags and optional, and also we have visibility if you want to make it public, listed, and private. Also we have scheduled as well, and then you click over upload. Right, so this is how you can upload a video. Then we have also here other option, which is live streams. You can just click over go live and you'll find other page, which is this one. You can just set up a new live stream, or you can just follow the steps to set up a live stream. Here we have go to rumble.com or click the set up new live stream button above. Here we have it. Then upload a placeholder to upload, which will be looped. Then we have once the placeholder is uploaded, then enter the configuration in your streaming software. You have just to read this information and you have to follow the steps to get started. All right, then we have also the last one, which is Rumble Studio. So let's just discover in this one, which is this one. Right, we have it, we're all in one streaming studio. You have just to click over sign in with Rumble and you'll find other page, which is this one. All right, you have just to sign in and you'll find other page, which is this one. So here we have the Rumble Studio. You have the various things. If you want to just here new to Rumble Studio, visit our help center, earn money using Studio. You have just to click over here and navigate to the company's page to learn more. All right, you have just to watch the videos if you want. As you can see, we have the companies, you have current balance, last 30 days earnings, then we have other things. All right, you have your library if you want a text, media, audience submission as well. And also here we have the home page, and if you scroll down, you'll find here if you want to stream live now, schedule a stream, premiere video, and also we have here the option of clips and videos. As you can see, you can just select the option that you want. All right, so this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.